Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to access the demo company in Xero. The Xero demo company is one of the best ways to learn the platform without risking real financial data. A lot of people are scared to experiment in accounting software because they think they'll break something important. The demo company solves that problem by giving you a safe practice environment where you can test features, create transactions, and explore the system freely. The demo company is a pre-built sample organization inside Xero that contains example invoices, customers, expenses, reports, bank transactions, financial data. It's basically a sandbox version of Xero where you can learn without consequences. Start by logging into your Xero account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll have access to your organizations and account settings. Open your organization menu. At the top left corner, click on your organization name. What this section controls. This drop-down lets you switch organizations, access account settings, view subscriptions, open the demo company. Under the organization drop-down, click My Xero. What My Xero is, this is your account management area. Here you can manage subscriptions, user access, activity history, billing information, organizations. Understanding the dashboard. Inside My Xero, you'll typically see your subscriptions, your access permissions, recent activity. This section helps you manage your Xero environment beyond day-to-day accounting tasks. Access the demo company. Now click Try the demo company. What happens next? Xero opens the demo company environment automatically. You'll now be inside a practice business account filled with sample data. What you can do inside the demo company. You can experiment with features such as creating invoices, recording expenses, reconciling bank accounts, running reports, managing contacts, testing payroll or inventory features. This is where you learn by doing instead of just watching tutorials. To summarize, accessing the demo company in Xero starts by logging into your account and clicking on your organization name in the top left corner. From there, selecting My Xero opens your account management area where you can view subscriptions, access permissions, and activity. By clicking Try the demo company, you enter a practice environment filled with sample financial data and accounting workflows. This allows you to safely explore Xero's features, test transactions, and learn the platform without affecting any real business information. And that's how to access the demo company in Xero. Honestly, if you're learning Xero, spending time in the demo company is one of the smartest things you can do. It removes the fear of breaking something and lets you actually understand the software through practice. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.